Hello there, ICS4U folks. This is a short video, hopefully, that will show you how to install um, the graphical user interface builder in Eclipse. After you install this, you'll be able to use it if you like or not. That'll be up to you. But let's just I'm going to show you how to do this myself, even though you could search it up, I realized. But here we go. So in Eclipse, it's called WindowBuilder. So we're going to download, and there it is, Eclipse WindowBuilder, and click on that one. And they should give us some options. And this is strange because it's not actually a piece of software that you download and use. It's you kind of tell Eclipse where to go to install the software. So you see this, the release version and the integration version. The one that I got to work was this one. So I'm just going to copy this link, copy link, and then I'm going to go back to Eclipse, and then under help, I should get rid of this thing here. My computer's probably a little slower than yours. I'm going to see if I can get rid of that, get it out of the way. My Eclipse is not responding, but it eventually will. Here we go, help, and then I'm going to install new software and wait for my computer to catch up. And then there's a spot here where we can type where to go, and the Eclipse project updates and all this stuff here. But we're going to go add, and the name is going to be the one that we just downloaded, or we just copied rather, and click OK. And then there it is, WindowBuilder, and we're going to go next. And it'll work away for a moment, connecting to the site. And that should work, and I'm hoping that that will work. I'm going to pause this video while my computer um, plugs everything in nicely. It'll take a little while, and then when I unpause the video, we'll show you how you can get it going. So I'm going to pause. Okay, that wasn't too long. Next a few times, I accept. And I think even if you're using the network version, I think this will just plug in to your workspace, and I think you've got the permissions to do that. If it craps out on you, then you're going to have to try it somewhere else, or look on to someone else's computer, and that's fine. Again, while it's installing, I'm going to pause so you don't have to sit here and watch that go ahead on my computer. And as you can see, it's asking for a restart after it installs all that business. So I'm going to pause again and press yes. And so that'll take, on my old computer, a few seconds to do. You don't have to watch that either. Okay, here we go. On this computer, this is about the first time I've ran Eclipse, so I'm not sure if it comes to your welcome screen or not, but it doesn't really matter. Um, at this point, now I can just go new, and then it's down to other, WindowBuilder, and then I can see I have a few choices here. Under Swing Designer, and we'll learn about what Swing is now. We can see we can have an application window, an applet, or a J-frame, and one of the tasks for today is for you to use this GUI builder to try the difference between J-applets and J-frames. I'm just going to write application window just to see what that looks like. Get rid of this again, and next. And got to create my packages and all this business. Source folder. Of course, I have to make my packages first. You guys are screaming at me to do that first, right? New. Okay, now let's try it. File, New, Other, Window Builder, Swing Designer, Application Window, and we'll finish it. We'll call it GUI Try 1, Finish, stuff. And we see some things that were automatically created. Notice the name of the class there and a new one, and then it shows it because we have the J-frame there. This is similar to what we're doing from scratch, but a whole bunch of stuff in there that we never had to do. And if I just press run, well, there's my window. It's not looking great, but it works like a Windows window. And we can see the stuff that was automatically created. What's cool now, and what makes this different than us typing on our own, is this. You see where I click down there? Source and design. And in the design screens, and it's kind of hard to see here, but there's all the tools, containers and components. And here is the window. That window is pretty boring. So let's jam a component on there. Why not? Notice that what the default layout of the window is. It's the border layout in the content pane. So let's put my J button right there. New button, and I could change this. And notice after I've done that, the source has changed. Now I have in my J frame a new button. See, there's the J button. Click me, and then there's the stuff I typed. Back in the design, if I wanted to change some of the things like where it is and its color, and I can do it here rather than in the source code. And again, it may be easier for you to do this only in the source code, or you may get quite comfortable with the GUI builder, the window builder. And after today, I'm okay with you using either. Okay, but we started out doing it from scratch, and I want you to play with the GUI builder today. But after this, it'll be up to you to write code however you see fit. And that's all I have to say about that. Have fun playing with the GUI builder.